So welcome to the week 8 of PSHS 6240 here at George Washington University. Welcome to the end of the course. All you have is the final due on Sunday and the final paper for those of you who are still doing it. Just quick admin note: if you're in Group 3, if you can upload the PowerPoint slides to the Assignment 3 tab, do that so I can give you a grade. I can't give you a grade otherwise. So you guys can upload the same PowerPoints. That's fine. I just have to see a product there. So Group 3, go ahead and do that right now. For the rest of you, I think we had a good Adobe Connect session or a WebEx session on Thursday. And what I want to mention for those of you who weren't there, um, always see me as a resource going forward. Always see me as a potential for jobs, recommendations, what have you. I have sat with potential with students during class, talked about jobs. I've met in person. We can meet we can do a Zoom session if you want. We can also grab a drink if and when things start getting back to normal. I'm always up for those types of events. So yeah, just let me know when you can. And again, I just want to emphasize, I can't speak for all faculty, but certainly for myself, I think as tuition members of George Washington, you get me as a resource. And I just want to say that going forward. And then just coming away from this course, again, just a couple of themes you should take away. Definitions of terrorism. No one's going to ask you about this in real life. No one's going to ask you if the FLN is terrorism or the Irgun, but people will make decisions on what is terrorism, what is not. People are going to put people on watch lists. People in this classroom are going to do that. People are going to make policy decisions. I hope you take something from that class so you can look at what is terrorism with a little bit more scrutiny than you might have been before. History. We talked about history in this course. What happens in the past shapes what we see in the future. That is, or what we see now and what we will see in the future. And that's why I cover history pretty extensively in this class. So that's a kind of a key theme I want to for you to take away. Intelligence and counterterrorism, meaning specifically, what do we do with all these people who are on the radar of law enforcement, whether they're Al Qaeda, ISIS, or right wing extremists? How is our intelligence apparatus, whether it's federal, domestic, or federal, local, municipal, are they communicating right? Are they doing the right things to mitigate terrorism? I don't think so, but that's certainly something that you guys hope you take away from this course. And then finally, the more the contemporary issues, leadership targeting. Even though we don't do drones as much now as we did maybe 5 years ago, there'll be another Al Qaeda or another ISIS where targeting leadership will become a lot more important. There will be questions about enhanced interrogation. There'll be questions about right-wing extremism. There'll be another domestic terrorism issue that will likely be discussed in the future. So hopefully you took those lessons that we talked about in the week 7, and you can apply them going forward. So that wraps up the class. I hope, again, you have the final this week. It's already open. You have the paper for groups 1 and 2. And as I mentioned, if there's anything I can help you with, let me know.